Hey, what's up, everybody? Sweet Pea here, coming at you from Le Studio a la Keyboard, a la Plenty. And tonight I'm going to be bringing you some music that I've been creating on this wonderful piece of gear here made by Native Instruments. This is called the Maschine Plus. If you've been into the DJ scene and all that house techno shit, you probably know about the Native Instruments, the MK1, MK2, MK3, and now this is the first standalone. It's basically a DAW in a box and a drum machine. It's freaking incredible and really hard. Not hard to use, but like I've never used a drum machine in my life, so this was a lot to take on, but I'm starting to get the hang of it. So without further ado, here's my first project that I feel like is playable enough so that I'm okay to upload it to YouTube. Here we go. I hope you enjoy. It's called Movin On. Thanks for watching, guys. I'm Sweet Pea. This one's called Movin On. Make sure you subscribe to my channels, YouTube, Instagram, and Facebook. Thanks for watching, and I'll see y'all on the next one. Peace.